Hello and welcome. I'm excited to announce that the iPass Open Mobile Android client is a part of our Open Mobile platform. This client is easy for an enterprise to deploy and provides seamless enterprise-ready connectivity to Wi-Fi networks. It provides lower cost and higher performing access alternatives for Android smartphone users such as myself. As a user, the Open Mobile client runs in the background on my phone and notifies me whenever I'm in range of an iPass hotspot. As you can see here, I happen to be within range as indicated by the iPass logo in my notification bar. When I slide down on the alerts, I see that a Wi-Fi hotspot that was defined by my administrator's network is available for connectivity. So I'll go ahead and click on that notification and the Open Mobile client will launch. It shows me a listing of all available networks, which in this case includes iPass Open Access networks, which are free. I'll simply choose the network I wish to connect to. The connection process will begin, and once the connection process is completed, I have connectivity to the internet. That's all there is to it, very quick and easy. So now that we know how to use the software, let's take a look at what takes place in the background by our IT administrators. For you IT admins out there, you first create a client profile using the Open Mobile portal. Within this portal, you'll go ahead and configure the settings for the Open Mobile Android client. Such settings include the directories of which you wish to include within your Android client. Once you've specified all the configurations for your software, you'll then build the profile installer. Once the profile installer is built, it's then time to deploy it to your smartphone users. So now let's take a look at how easy it is to deploy to your smartphone users via email. As a smartphone user, I'll simply go to my email on my phone, and within the email there will be a link. So to access this software, I'll simply click on the link provided. Once it's downloaded to my smartphone, you'll notice that I'll have an installer icon on my desktop, as you can see in the center of your screen here. I'll simply click on that installer file. I'll click install, and basically that's all there is to it to installing the software. So therefore, wherever I go, I can utilize the iPass service to access hotspots around the world. When I'm ready to make a connection, I'll simply click on my desktop icon. My Open Mobile client will go ahead and launch, and it will display all the available access points I happen to be within range of. So let's go ahead and talk about usage once again from the perspective of a first-time user. These networks can include the open access networks, which are indicated by the iPass Open Access logo, and it can also include enterprise-ready locations by iPass, which are included by the full iPass logo. If I were to scroll down, I can probably get a listing of other access points that may also be available. In this case, I'll choose the iRoam network because it has the strongest signal strength. Once I click on that network, I'll be asked if I wish to connect. I'll say yes, and I'll be prompted for my account information. And again, as a first-time user, I'll just have to go through this one time. I'll enter my iPass credentials, which are the same credentials that you use on your other iPass software. I can save this information for future use, and I'll simply click OK. Once I click OK, the connection process will begin. I'll be notified that I'm connected, and as you can see here, I'm connected again to the internet, and I can go ahead and freely roam the World Wide Web. That's all there is to connecting. Again, really quick and easy. Here's a quick look at the menu, which includes your account information and a link to our Hotspot Finder. Hotspot Finder, of course, is handy when traveling. So that's a quick look at our Open Mobile Android client, which is easy for the enterprise to deploy to their users and easy for users to connect when using Wi-Fi networks. So you now have a cost-effective alternative to 3G data usage and roaming, as well as an easy way to take advantage of Wi-Fi networks when you need throughput using those high bandwidth applications. Thanks for your time and your attention. Have a great iPass day.